Welcome back, 18!
What is up, man? Good evening, everyone. This is Justin. It's Kane.
Can you say hi to them? There's a lot of Filipinos here today.
Hello po sa mga kababayan namin. Alright, have a seat, gentlemen, because right now, relax muna tayo. With this, sige, Billy, go ahead.
Okay, let's now throw the mic to our social media press right there. Let's start a press conference proper for this time. RJ Queen and Icy right there.
Hey, 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 good evening, Kabayan, and good evening, SB19. Hey, hi, my name is Colleen, and I'm here with...
Hello to everyone, and all the people that are here in MLQ, a very good evening, and hello to SB19. My name is RJ Icy.
Alright, and right now we are together with social media partners right here for them to throw their questions directly to SB19. First up, we have Qatar Tribune, Doreen Regis.
Hello, good evening. My name is Doreen. Welcome to the I would like to ask, how has your Simula Bakas work turbine so far? And what makes Qatar special for you? Thank you.
Thank you so much for that question. To be honest with you, Simula Bakas tour is really exhausting. But at the same time, it's really rewarding because you get to see beautiful faces like these people. Last time there were countries and cities that we weren't able to go to because unfortunately some of the stops were canceled. So we promised together with our team that as much as we could, we would try to visit different places all over the world. And so right now, this is our first time here at Qatar Doha. We're so grateful and happy to see all of you guys here. Thank you so much for supporting SB19.
Such a heartwarming answer, Pablo. Thank you for answering that question, and thank you, G, for giving us that question. Now, to QPass for our next question.
Hello, SB19. Welcome to Doha, by the way.
Thank you so much.
Yes, okay. My question would be for the 18 fans as well. Asa yung mga 18 fans natin? And the question goes this way. 18 are some of the most passionate fans in the world. What's a fan moment that truly touched you?
Actually today. Yeah, I mean, seeing you guys today here, this is the first time here, but seeing you guys here tonight, we're very happy and we're very touched to see you guys here tonight. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. We know that tomorrow is the concert day, pero you are here tonight to show and to welcome us here in Doha. And I think every time we perform or we share the stage with 18, that's already special. And especially tonight, we're very happy and thankful to everyone who's here. And we hope to see you guys tomorrow at our concert. And again, 18, thank you so much. Mahal na mahal namin din lahat.
Thank you so much, Sal. And yes, kung na-touch ka ko bukas kung anong mangyayari.
Let's see tomorrow.
Alright. Up next, we got here RDTV, the representative of TFC. Your question, please.
Hello, Mahalima! Welcome to Doha! I'm RD from the Filipino channel and Papsi TV, of course. My question, SB19 has gained massive recognition globally. How do you stay grounded despite your international success?
Of course, nagsasaksak po sa saksakan. But siguro for us, it's always syempre appreciating ng little things. Kasi if you don't appreciate life and you don't appreciate the little things and the people around you, pwede syempre mapunta ka sa iba, kung kainin ka ng siguro lahat ng achievements sa mga nangyayari po nowadays. But more importantly siguro, learning to listen to people as well. Of course, to those who really care. Ayun po, siguro with us, we always try to humble each other and mas mag-usap kami during the hard times.
Such a great answer, Josh. Thank you for that. An amazing answer. Now we have to move on to our next social media partner. Fabinica, what's your question?
Welcome to Qatar SB19. I'm Ita from Fabinica Vlog, and my question is, parang contest. If you could dedicate one new song just for eating, what would the title be?
Maybe Kaharian. Kaharian, or in English, Kingdom. I'm thinking that it will talk about like the community that was built by 18, with all the good things that they did, like helping people, help us achieving the goals for the Filipino music. Yeah, Kaharian, it's for everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, so nakita niyo naman na yung kaharian niya dito sa Doha, Qatar. Nung kanina pa talaga tumili, right from the moment they saw your hair strands from the top, no? Alright, up next we got here, Mega by Heart. Your question, please.
Hi, SB19! Welcome to Doha, Qatar! And Abisana, Egnan! Maligayang pag-akbay sa mundo ng mga tao. My question is, what's one thing that you've learned from your international class that inspires your music?
fans naman dito, especially napakadami kong OFW sa ibang bansa ko. That's why sobrang laki ko ng respect namin sa fans namin, especially dito sa Doha. We just love him so much, and you know, we just want to dedicate this to yung concert namin to them, so once again, happiness and joy para sa kanila. So, ayun po yung naging very sabing matatag. Ang dami namin kanta na binibigay sa sabing ano namin sa journey namin. Yung sabing, you know, malakas yung loob palagi.
Thank you, Ken, for answering that question. I am very sure that all of our 18 fans feel that love and respect. Now, moving on to our next social media partner. Give it up for Hazel in Qatar and her question.
Hello, SB19. Welcome to Doha, Qatar. Hello, I'm Hazel of Hazel in Qatar. Here's my question. What's the first thing that came to your mind when you heard you'd be performing here in Doha, Qatar?
Siyempre po masaya. Katulad po ng promise namin na katulad namin po kanina. Nag-promise kami na as much as we can, we would visit the countries and the people na hindi namin napuntahan. Lalo na dito sa Qatar, this is our first time here. So, very excited kami to perform in front of all of you. Abangan nyo yung pasabog bukas. Kasi na, dapat manonood kailan kung lalabas na ang bibili ng ticket. Para yan, Kaya kasi maraming salamat kasi po first time namin yung naging pagtanggap niyo sa
Thank you so much, Pablo. And I believe yung pagiging masaya mo is hindi ka bibibuin ng 18 Qatar. Am I right, 18? Alright, we got our last representative right here from CNAG Digital Media, Miss Kai.
Marhaba, Mahalima, welcome to Qatar. Hello. Hi, I'm Kai. I'm from Signal Digital Media. Salamat, maraming salamat sa pagpunta nyo sa amin dito sa Qatar. Alam namin marami na kayong napuntahan and you are here with us. So thank you very much. Okay, ang tanong ko is straight from Manila na pinapatanong ng sister. Na sobrang mahal na mahal kayo. From all of your singles, mula Tila Luha hanggang Umaaligid, ano ang pinaka-theme song nyo ngayon na lahat ng concerts nyo are sold out? Ano ba napaisip siya? No, rush, I can do this all day.
Siguro po, SLFT. SLFT kasi syempre nagpapasalamat po kami sa mga tao. Syempre po, pagdala dito sa Qatar, sa Doha, maraming salamat po sa AP. Sobrang po sa mahilig na pagtanggap sa amin. At first time po namin dito, pero lahat ng destinations na pupuntahan namin talagang sinusold out po nila. Kaya naman feeling ko po dito, kasi sold out din po.
Thank you very much.
Salamat po.
Thank you so much, SB19, as well as our social media partners. And thank you, 18, so wala mong painapaghiyaw. We're throwing the mic back to you on stage, Carl and Margie.
Thank you very much. Once again, RJ Berlin and RJ Casey, I mean Icy. Anyway, alright, remember, Jane, this is a time for SB19 to give their message to our friends.
Everyone is going to buy their tickets.
So, maybe our last message from you guys. Alright.
Yes, salamat po ng team na nandito ngayon. Gusto po namin magpasalamat for supporting us, for always cheering for us and listening to our music. We love you guys. Maraming salamat po. We hope to see you tomorrow at a concert sa Qatar National Convention Center. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakabili ng tickets, you can still buy your tickets. And yeah, see you tomorrow guys. Maraming salamat po. Okay.
Thank you.